Hi everyone, my name is Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indra. Today I am going to make an interesting video, that is Clapingo versus Cambly. Which one is better? First of all, you should know this is not a promotional video. Okay? So stay tuned with me. If you did not subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indra, please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indra and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First of all, you should know what is Clapingo and what is Cambly. Clapingo is a spoken English application where you can learn spoken English and also you can practice your spoken English skill with a lot of Indian English speakers. On the other hand, Cambly is a spoken English application where you can learn spoken English and also you can practice your spoken English skill with a lot of native English speakers. If you do not know how to use Cambly or how to use Clapingo, how to subscribe those applications and also how to select a tutor on those applications, I have already made a lot of videos regarding this, so check it out. I will provide the link in this description and also I button. Go and check it out. Now I am going to share some pros and cons about those applications according to my opinion. Because I have used both of them for a long time, so I have a lot of experience about those applications. That's why I am sharing my opinion. Those who want to learn spoken English very well, this video will be very beneficial for all of you. So keep watching till the end. Now I am going to share some differences, some pros and cons about those applications with the following points. First point is tutors. In Clapingo application, tutors are Indian. On the other hand, in Cambly, tutors are native English speakers from a lot of countries like America, England, Canada, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand and lot more. In Clapingo, the tutors are Indian English speakers. On the other hand, in Cambly, the tutors are native English speakers. Now, this point will be divided into two sub-points. First one is instant tutors. In Clapingo, you cannot get instant tutors. You have to book or you have to reserve a tutor on Clapingo. On the other hand, on Cambly, you can get instant tutors. And also you can reserve the tutor on Cambly. Now profile video or demo video of the tutor. You cannot get the demo video or the profile video of the tutor in Clapingo English application. On the other hand, you can get demo video or profile video of the tutor in Cambly, so that you may be more familiar with the tutor if you check the profile video of the tutor fast. So this is the plus point of Cambly. Now I think the Clapingo team might be working on it. So let's see near future. If there will be any update regarding Clapingo or Cambly, I will provide you through a video. So please subscribe. Now second point is availability. This point will be divided into two sub-points. First one is in which device these applications are available, and second one is country. In which country these applications are available. So first sub-point is device. Clapingo is available only on Android devices. On the other hand, Cambly is available on Android devices and also iOS devices. So you should have an Android device to subscribe Clapingo. On the other hand, Cambly is available on both Android devices and also iOS devices. So this is another plus point of Cambly. Now second sub point is country. Clapingo is available only India. not other countries right now. On the other hand, Cambly is available all over the world like Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Brazil, Qatar, Kuwait, Africa, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, etc. I think Clapingo team might be working on it for availability of different countries. I think so. Let's see. If there is any update regarding Clapingo, I will inform you through a video. Now coming to another point, that is flexibility of time. Clapingo is available from 10 a.m. to 12 midnight. During this time, you can select a tutor for conversation. On the other hand, Cambly is available 24/7. Whenever you want to converse or practice your spoken English skill with a native speaker, you can get it. So I think this is another plus point of Cambly. Now coming to major point, that is affordability. The subscription charges of Clapingo is really affordable from my a lot of research. According to me, everyone can afford Clapingo for learning English. On the other hand, Cambly is not so affordable. It obviously depends on you, but it is my opinion. So this is the plus point of Clapingo. Now coming to the another point, that is support system. In Clapingo, you can reach out the support system through email and also via phone call. And the Clapingo support team not only reply you, but also resolve your problem immediately. On the other hand, Cambly support team is available only through email. They will reply you within 24 hours. So I think this is another plus point of Clapingo. Now coming to my opinion, which one is better? Since Clapingo tutors are all Indian, so they know very well what is the problem, what is the difficulty the Indian people are facing to learn English as a second language, because the tutors of Clapingo have learned English as a second language. Now they are expert on it, right? So they can figure out all the areas of your weakness and they can resolve it then and there. And also they can show a lot of ways which are really actionable and also reasonable to improve your spoken English skill and also to learn English very well. On the other hand, Cambly tutors are native English speakers. They know English by birth. English is the first language of them, right? So, if you want to improve yourself with speaking English, you can go for Clapingo. On the other hand, if you want to sharpen your spoken English skill like a native speaker, if you want to sound your English like a native English speakers, if you want to catch English tone like a native speaker, if you want to communicate with the British people or Canadian people or American people, if you want to practice your spoken English skill with the native English speaker, then you can obviously go for Cambly. After all, this is your choice. So it is my opinion. Others have other opinions. I use both of the applications and I do respect both of the applications because Clapingo and Cambly both are very well respectively, and also those are really good English learning platforms for us. So this is the wrap of my video. If you like this video, please give a like because it motivates me to upload a lot of videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic INDRA and press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe, stay happy. See you soon in my next video. Bye.